Hello, in this pop-upology tutorial I'll be showing you how to fold the biplane design from my range of Origamic architecture pop-up cards available online. So once you have downloaded and cut your template, you should end up with something that looks like this. This project can be quite tricky in parts, so just bear that in mind. It's not one of the easiest projects, partly because of all these very delicate supporting struts and propeller areas or sections, as you can see there. But if you go really carefully and consistently throughout your design with all the folding in conjunction, you will get the best results. So as always, what we do to begin is to just gently establish our baseline crease by pressing down on these perforated lines on the sides with our thumbs, whilst at the same time propping up the back of our card with a couple of fingers, and with a couple of fingers just pressing out the center section, which in this case, as you can see, is the bottom wing structure and the undercarriage of our plane. So we just want to be kind of cajoling it out from the back of the card in small, gentle, incremental kind of pressure phases. And then we move on to the top of our wing design and repeat the process by just pressing forwards. And as we move towards the center, you will see the pilot's kind of cockpit section will start to protrude forward as well. You'll need to kind of be feeling your way through the card with this one, actually, but you get a sense of anything going wrong if you feel undue pressure on any part or resistance in the paper. But literally what you want to be sort of working towards is converging towards the center deployment, which is this kind of cockpit section here in the middle, which again you just want to be sort of kind of pushing from the back, zooming in on that area with the top of your finger from the back, whilst at the same time always progressively pushing forward the back plane using the rest of your digits in your hand, and slowly start to deploy those folds even further until you get to about a 90-degree fold stage, as you can see here. And this is where it becomes, or can become, slightly trickier, because you will want to be folding right across your design without overfolding any particular area in isolation. So you just want to sort of deploy the folds gently and sort of caress the paper with a combination of pinching from the front and supporting from the back, and trying to avoid any buckles, especially as you will find the most delicate area, or one of the most delicate areas, being this propeller section here. So taking very good care of that area once you're folding. As you can see, I'm kind of holding on to this design from the back now at a 90-degree fold stage, and supporting everything I can with all of my available digits, whilst with my other hand I'm kind of zooming in and cajoling the paper and pinching the paper forwards in more kind of isolated areas, and always feeling my way through any bits that are left behind, so consistently trying to catch up with less deployed areas. But literally all you want to be doing is kind of progressively collapsing your shape right across the entire design. And this will take some concentration, because as you can see, they are very, very delicate, especially these struts. So you just want to go really slowly and patiently. And once you get to about this stage, you will just want to be particularly paying attention to this center void or volume here, at the very center of the design by making sure that when you pinch from the back, that is the first section that folds flat, and the rest will follow on the sides as well. And if you don't feel any resistance in your design, you can just proceed to collapse your piece then, like so. And all that remains is to tap down your designs and your creases from the reverse side of your card, just to establish them further. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Ready for your personal touch or decoration. And also, if you want to finish your card by covering this void on the back with a backing sheet, then I recommend that you use a transparency paper, and in particular a colored transparency, which you can get online or in craft shops, for the best results, because as you can see, this gives rise to a lot of really intriguing visual light and shadow plays and effects that you can explore and experiment with. All that you need to do is just secure your sheet with a few tabs of glue from the back, and you're ready to go with your finished card. So there you have it, the Origamic Architecture Biplane card design. I hope you enjoyed this project, and do check out all of my other tutorials available online. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.